Now we will use this explode feature. This feature is used to separate selected multipart features into individual features. Let's create a multipart feature first. Instead of finish, click on finish part. Then another one and finish part, and then another one. Finish. Save. We have 3 polygons, but they are in a single feature, that is a multipart feature. We cannot individually select one polygon. If we select one, all 3 polygons will be selected at once. Look, we cannot select individual polygons, and we cannot delete individual ones. So if we want to isolate these polygons, we need to use the explode tools. Click on this explode. If you want to keep the original features, click on this. But usually we do not click on this, otherwise the features will be duplicated. Now click on explode. Select. Now we can individually select our polygons. They have been isolated using explode tool. Don't forget to press the save button.